Nikon with Android wired connection. Step 1. Pre-connection camera settings. Keep your camera powered for the maximum time. Select JPEG for image format. Turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, FTP transfer. Turn off the USB power delivery. Step 2. Assembling the camera. Style 1. Style 2. Style 3. Step 3. Device connection. Open Piufoto. Find the album. Choose wired connection. Choose upload quality and mode. Attention! Don't allow albums to access your camera. Allow Piufoto to access your camera. These two buttons turn green. Connection successful. Press the shutter and let your photos fly. Piufoto. Photos can fly.